So our mm, metabolic waste is coming out through excretory organs, and these organs are skin, lungs, liver, and kidney. And the main excretory system is consisting of kidney, ureter, urinary bladder, and urethra. And our excretory waste or metabolic wastes are carbon dioxide and water and some nitrogenous waste. So, carbon dioxide is released through lungs by breathing out, and water is released through lungs, kidney, and skin. Lungs is releasing water with breathing. When you breathe out, not only carbon dioxide comes out, but also water droplets in the form of vapor coming out. Because you have you have observed that when we breathe out and we are having any glass in front of us, the glass uh, become hazy with water vapor, right? So we not only exhale carbon dioxide, we exhale a large amount of water too. So water is being excreted from lungs, from skin by sweat, and from kidney by urine. And nitrogenous wastes are also being released through kidney. And what are those nitrogenous wastes? Those are amino, ammonia, urea, and uric acid. Right. So this is the basic knowledge about excretory system. Now we will proceed from. We have already discussed all this. So today we will proceed from ureter. What is ureter? It is hollow tubular structure connecting renal pelvis with urinary bladder. We have already discussed what renal pelvis is. Yesterday we have discussed what is renal pelvis, and we have discussed detailed structure of kidney. So ureter is the hollow tube that is connecting renal pelvis with urinary bladder. Means the waste created by kidney is being collected by ureter and is being stored in urinary bladder, and this transfer is done by these ureters. It is continuous with funnel shaped renal pelvis passes down behind the peritoneum into pelvic cavity and passes through the posterior wall of bladder. Right? It is joining in bladder in the posterior side, and it is a continuous. It is continuous with funnel shaped renal pelvis passes down behind peritoneum. We have already discussed that kidneys are located behind, means it is closer, more closer from back side of our body. It is located at somewhat back side of body, means back of intestine. So these ureters are also behind the peritoneum cavity. So peritoneum cavity is containing all these digestive organs or small intestine, etc., etc. So behind all these digestive organs, this kidney and ureters are present, and these ureters are joining to urinary bladder from backside, containing urine from kidney to bladder, obviously, about 12 to 18 inches long and half inches in diameter. Okay, 12 to 18 inches in 12 to 18 inches long ureters are, and their diameter is about half inch. Stretch receptors in renal pelvis regulate urethral peristalsis. So peristalsis also happens here. What do you mean by peristalsis? Please answer me fast. We don't have much time.
Peristalsis is a movement of food grains which form a bowl shape and which moves along the alimentary canal, which is known as peristalsis.
Yeah, very good. But it is not the movement of food. It is the movement of alimentary canal. This movement occurs when food is passing through. Right? Peristalsis is the muscular movement of alimentary canal. And this movement occurs when food is coming to this pathway. Okay. So this muscular movement is also happening in ureters. So, stretch receptors in the ureters in renal pelvis regulate urethral peristalsis. Means there are stretch receptors in renal pelvis, and these stretch receptors send signal to the whole ureter pathway, and due to that stimulation, peristalsis happens in ureters. Next is urinary bladder. Pear-shaped muscular sac and become balloon-shaped as it fills with urine, lies behind pubis symphysis. Right? It is a sac-like structure, and it is shaped as pear-shaped, muscular sac and become balloon shaped because when it is filled with urine it is stretched, and when it is being stretched then it it become balloon shaped and lies behind the pubis symphysis. Between means we have already discussed about skeletal system. There is pubic bone, and behind that pubic bone this urinary bladder is located, and it is a pear-shaped muscular sac, and it can stretch when it is filled with urine. It is being stretched and become balloon like structure made of elastic smooth muscle that helps in elongation of bladder. Yeah, it is made up of elastic smooth muscle that helps in elongation of bladder as it fills and concentration as it empties. Concentration as it empties. Yes, it is very elastic. So when it fills, it becomes balloon-like structure, and when it becomes empty, then again it concentrates and uh, it become again pear-shaped. Next is trigon is area between two ureters and uh, behind sorry trigon is area between two ureters and third point opening of urethra or urinal orifice. It helps in stopping the backflow of urine. Okay, means trigon is being called as a two opening, which are means three openings are there. Total three openings are there in ureter. Two are from sorry Total three openings are there in urinary bladder. Two openings are from ureter. From these two openings, ureter from because of ureters, two openings are there, and from these two openings urine is being collected to urinary bladder. And the third opening is urethra. So trigone is area between two ureters and third point opening of urethra or ureteral orifice. It helps in stopping the backflow of urine. Okay. Now, the last point is urethra. What is urethra? It is a canal extending from neck of bladder to outside. Okay, it is a small canal that is extending from neck of bladder, means urinary bladder, to outside. Outside means outside of body. Okay. Male urethra is about 6 to 8 inches in length, and female urethra is a bit smaller than male, that is 1 to 1.5 inches. Okay. So male urethra is a bit longer and female urethra is a bit smaller. That is why female are more prone to UTI, right? Urinary tract infection. So females should be very aware about their excretory hygiene, because of this small urethra there, and there are a lot of chances of being infected. So be careful always. No. Next point is urine. Urine is normally is when a healthy individual, urine of a healthy individual is pale yellow, liquid, or amber color due to presence of urolibin, ammonia like smell. Means the smell of urine is due to ammonia, and color of urine generally pale yellow, very light yellow, uh, liquid or amber color due to presence of urolibin, and pH of urine is 6. Now tell me, if the urine pH of urine is 6, then is it basic or is it acidic?
Acidic, ma'am.
Acidic.
Are you sure?
Yes, acidic.
And now tell me the neutral pH, means pH of water, distilled water.
5.
7.
Huh? 7 or 5? What?
7.
Yeah, very good. It's 7. So below 7, it's acidic. Above 7, it's basic. Right? Healthy adult passes 1,000 to 1,500 ml per day. Okay, means 1 liter or 1.5 liter is urine is passed by each day by an healthy individual. Now, normal chemical composition of urine. Urine is an aqueous solution of greater than 95% of water, with a minimum of these maintaining constituents in order to increasing concentration. So 95% of urine is water, and these are the um, constituents which increase the concentration of urine. Okay, so what are these constituents? These are urea, 9.3 gram per liter, chloride, 1.87 gram per liter, sodium, 1.17 gram per liter, potassium, 0.75 gram per liter, creatinine, 0.67 gram per liter, other reserve ions, inorganic and organic compounds that are proteins, hormones, and metabolites. Okay, now abnormal types of urine. There are several conditions that can cause abnormal components to be excreted in urine or present as abnormal characteristics of urine. They are mostly referred to by the suffix urea, right? Some of the more common types of abnormal urine include proteinuria or oliguria, and some more are there. Means if any disturbance of urine is being diagnosed, then the disease is termed as the suffix of urea. Means if protein content in urine is often due to leaky or damage glomeruli, means if urine is containing protein more than normal, then the disease is named as proteinuria. Means protein plus the suffix urea. Okay. Protein in urine is more than normal level, then protein plus suffix urea, proteinuria. Like that only, an abnormally small amount of urine, often due to shock or kidney damage. Okay. So this terminology is known as oliguria. Olig plus urea. Oliguria. That, like that only. An abnormally large amount of urine, often caused by diabetes. Means polyuria. Poly means multiple. Multiple times urine or more than normal amount of urine. A normal amount is 100 to 1000 to 1500 ml per day. If more than this amount of urine is being passed by an individual in each day, then it is termed as polyuria. And these conditions are mainly diagnosed in diabetic patients. Polyuria is not only the condition of diabetes, but in diabetes, polyuria is seen or observed. Now, next is dysuria, painful or uncomfortable urination, often from urinary tract infection. Okay, means painful or uncomfortable urination, that is dysuria. Next is hematuria. Hem means, now tell me what is the meaning of hem?
Hemoglobin.
Yeah, and this term is generally used for blood. So, red blood cells in urine from infection or injury. So, hematuria is the terminology when urine is containing blood cells or blood in urine. Glycosuria, glucose in urine due to excess plasma glucose in generally diabetes beyond the amount level to be reabsorbed in proximal convoluted tubule. We all have discussed about the proximal convoluted tubule, loop of Henle, and distal convoluted tubule yesterday. So, if proximal convoluted tubule is not able to reabsorb the glucose in blood plasma, then it is being passed with urine. So, glucose in urine is known as glycosuria. So, this is the end of excretory system today. So, should I go for the question answers?
I have one question.
Yes, please.
Um, what is the filtration rate of the kidney? I want to know what is the filtration rate of kidney.
Am I audible?
Yes.
Now only, ma'am.
Oh,
Ma'am, you are not audible.
I'm sorry. Sometimes it happens. I don't know why. I was asking, you were asking about what? I mean, which type of filtration rate of you are asking? You are asking for normal kidney, in means you are asking for normal kidney, right?
Yes, I just ask the normal urination 1 to 1.5 liter per day. But in previous class, you have said that in the kidney there is a reabsorption. So I think the filtration rate of kidney is much more than 1 to 1.5 liter as the urination. It is more than that, but it is much more than the urination normal urination rate. So I want to know what is the actual filtration rate of kidney.
Okay. Now listen. You have a wrong concept. Okay. The thing is, our body is having approximately 5 liters of blood, right? And kidney is filtering our blood only. So, filtration rate of kidney, if you ask, our kidneys filtrate all the blood. The means whole blood of our body is being filtered by kidney. Okay. So, if you ask about the filtration rate, then I have to ask, I think, Google, that how many times our whole blood is being filtered in kidney in each day. So this is the filtration rate. I think you have some misconception about this. Okay, our kidneys are not filtrating urine. Our kidneys are filtrating blood, and after filtration of blood, the waste material is urine. And yes, you were right, where this loop of Henle, proximal distal tubule and distal, sorry, proximal convoluted tubule and distal convoluted tubule are reabsorbing some necessary materials of blood that is being passed from glomerular filtration. So our glomerular filtration is filtering blood only. Then some necessary materials are reabsorbed from proximal, loop of Henle and distal convoluted tubule. And then the waste material is urine, and that waste material is about 1 to 1.5 liter per day in an normal adult. And this urine is containing 95% of water and 5% of other things that we have already discussed. Right? Is it clear?
Okay.
Any other confusion or doubt?
Ma'am, our total body fluid or blood, I can say that is 5 liter approximately. But
Yes.
how kidney will filter that 5 liter? Then how this 1.5 liter or 1 liter urination is formed?
The whole blood is filtered by kidney continuously. Kidney is not stopping for any time, right? Kidney is filtering our blood. Like, circulation in our body, is the circulation of our body stopping anytime? Circulation in our left hand will stop in night. Circulation in our right hand will stop in afternoon. Does this type of things occur in our body? No. So each and every time blood is entering to kidney, and kidney is filtering our blood. So the waste material is being collected by ureter into urinary bladder. And when this collection of waste material is being enough to discharge, then we get a urge of urination. Then we pass it out, right? Like if you have experience of water filtration filters, those filters are filtering the 5 liter of water continuously. Each and every time drops of water is coming from those holes of filtration, right? If you have observed any time the water filtration canal, then each second a drop of water is being filtered. Not this is not like that 1 liter of blood came suddenly and it is being filtered, and 0.5 liter of urine is being created. Not like that. Every time a droplet of urine is being created, and when one droplet, two droplet, three droplet, thus half liter or 0.25 liter of urine is being collected, then we get an urge to discharge it. Right? Is it clear?
Okay.
Any other confusion or doubt or any question? Okay. So everything is clear. So we should go for some question answer session. Right? Now, answer me on chat box. What are the excretory organs in human body? Very good, Aarti ma'am. Mm. Sonia ma'am, your answer is not complete. Very good, Kalishwari ma'am. Yes, very good, Sonia ma'am. Very good, Anita ma'am. Type fast, you are being late. Okay, so we will go for the next question. What are the metabolic wastes? What are the metabolic wastes of human body? Yes, very good. Aarti ma'am is being fast today. Very good. Very good, Sonia ma'am. Okay, so yes, very good, Kalishwari ma'am. It is CO2, water, and some nitrogenous wastes or nitrogenous salts. Okay, now please tell me uh, what is the location of kidney? Okay. Good, Sonia ma'am. Uh, Good effort, Geeta ma'am. But the thing is, yeah, Sonia ma'am is a bit right, because it is located, means it is mentioned in slide, but our kidneys are being protected by our false ribs, right? And which kidney is a bit lower than the another kidney? Yes. Very good. Very good. And why this is so? Right kidney is a bit lower. And why this is so? Yes. Very good. Very good. Sonia ma'am, be a bit alert, okay? Heart is at the middle of our chest, slightly tilted to left side. Slightly tilted to left side. So, uh, our largest organ, or largest gland in our body, that is liver, located at the right hand side. That is why right kidney is a bit lower. Very good. Now, please tell me the outer covering or outer capsule of kidney. Name the outer covering of kidney. Good. Mm, I was asking for outer covering, Geeta ma'am. I was not asking the about the kidney. Means you are not wrong. The outer layer of kidney means um, outer layer of kidney is known as cortex, and the inner layer of kidney is known as medulla. But the outer covering is kidney is covered by a thin sheath. The sheath is known as fibrous capsule. Okay. Now, please tell me that what was I asking? Yes. Largest excretory organ. Good. Very good. Okay. Everyone is not answering, right? Only 5 is coming. Okay, no problem. Now tell me, very important question. What are the hormones produced by kidney? Name the hormones produced by kidney. How many hormones are produced by kidney? Good. Good, Sonia ma'am. Very good. Now name those three fast. Lalin? That's a lalin. No problem. I understand it's typos. Okay. So these three hormones are erythropoietin, renin, and calcitriol. Now tell me which among these three is responsible for regulating blood pressure in our body? Which among these three is responsible for regulating blood pressure in our body? Oh, cool. Okay. Very good, Brinda ma'am, Aarti ma'am, and Geeta ma'am. It is renin. Renin is responsible for regulating blood pressure in our body. Now tell me, very easy question but important. Which among these three is responsible for stimulating or stimulating the production of red blood cell? Which among these three is responsible for stimulating the production of red blood cells? It's clear from its name only. Very easy. Yes, very good. Now tell me how it is being detected by its name. What is the terminology? Another terminology for red blood cells? Very good, Rajdeep sir. No, it's not mineral. I'm asking about what is the another terminology for red blood cells? Yes, very good. It is erythrocyte. But correct your spelling. Erythrocyte spelling is being wrong in two. Okay. Now tell me, what is the weight of kidney? Okay. So Rajdeep sir tried, and Geeta ma'am is all about. Geeta ma'am is right. Okay, it's right. Means approximately 130 grams. Means it differ for left and right, because right kidney is a bit smaller than left kidney. So right kidney weights um, less than left kidney, right? So approximately 130 grams are the weight of these kidneys. Okay. Now tell me, what is the medulla of kidney is consisting? কি করছিস? ভিজে যাবি, ভিজে যাবি, বন্ধ করে ভিজে। Yes, very good, Aarti ma'am. Medulla of kidney is consisting of conical shaped renal pyramids. Yes, very good. Now, I think I have done a mistake yesterday. I want to clarify that. If I have told you wrong, that this artery, renal artery, is bringing blood to kidney, and this renal vein is collecting the filtered blood from kidney, right? So renal artery is uh, bringing the blood, and renal vein is collecting the blood away from kidney. And what is the functional unit of kidney? Very important question point of view. What is the functional unit of kidney? Okay, very good. Very good. It is nephron. Now tell me, how many steps are mainly how many steps are there for formation of urine? Very good. And what are those three? Name those steps. No, it's not 10, Aarti ma'am, it is 3. Yes, Rajdeep sir. Oh, not Aarti ma'am, you are going wrong. You are telling the 3 parts of nephron. Also, that is not complete nephron. Yes, very good, Sonia ma'am. Very good, Sai Manoj, right? Am I right for your name? I think it's Sai Manoj. Okay. Okay. So 3 steps for formation of urine are glomerular filtration, second is tubular reabsorption, and third is tubular secretion. Okay. So I think this is enough for today, and you people are having next class. So we should conclude with prayer. Sit comfortably, upright your spine, close your eyes, adapt Namaskar Mudra, and repeat the prayer. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामया सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. Now rub your palms, put those palms on your facial muscles, feel the energy, feel the warmth, and open your eyes with smile. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.